So we are going to start our, assuming we have installed everything. So you come to file. File is up there, you see. Yes. Then you go to new. Are you there? Then select website. And I told you the reason as to why we are doing website is because you want to run it through the browser. Now when you select website, it's going to take you to where you select the language from. So select C#. After selecting C#, you come and select empty website. You get the point? Then down here, you come and browse. You see here? You browse. Then I'm going to put it in my local disk D here. Then I have my projects. Then on the right here, have you seen this? Where you close from? Have you seen? Are you there? Create new folder. So I'm calling it SUERP V1. Have you seen SUERP V1? Then I click open. It says it's already existing. You get it, eh? So let me call it ERP 2025. Click open. When I click open, down here, it now shows me my extension. Then I click OK. So if I click OK, it brings me that with the name up here, Sorority SUERP 2025. Then I come to Solution Explorer. If I click on my Solution Explorer, I should have that. You come here to SUERP, this one. You get it, eh? Members, right click on this one, not solution. Get the point? Right click on this one. Right click, go to add folder. So the first user is a lecturer. Then you press enter. The second user is student. I can use capital, then the rest are small. The third one is AR. Then assistant, assist AR. Another user is HOD. Then who? Yes, VC. Then vice deputy VC. Then who else? Dean. Then ARP manager. Are we there? Who else is missing? I have how many users? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. Any other? Any other? Members, check your book. The 9, eh? Who is missing? Okay. Now the next thing we're going to do is to create a master page. A master page. Because remember, all the information, let me show you. This is what we mean by a master page. Uh, let me see which one here. So I want to show you just some of the systems. Now you see, this system has the same login. Huh? This is for hardware and it's already in use. So I have accounts. When the account's logged into the system, huh, there are those pages that he is able to access. You get it? That one is rolling. Let me also open up the hospital system. So you see, this is a hardware system. You get it? So as an accountant, do you see on the left? This is the master page, having all the pages he can view. You getting it, eh? Yes, he can view the invoices today, all invoices, receipts, sales by till. You can view the customers, quotations, sales order, all those things. Are you getting the point? So the same to this hospital. Hmm? Uh, okay, this one is loading now, but also the front end, the person who does sales, front desk. I want to show you what it means by master page. You get it? Hey, some of you don't. Some of you are new. Some of you remember what we meant by master page. Mhm. So you see, this one is a hospital management system, and it's already in use by one of the facilities called Buenavida. And you see, this person is the one who is in charge of the lab. Eh? The one who runs the tests. But if he logs, you see, it's the same login page, but the system takes them to different places. That's the meaning of privileges. You get it? Have you seen? This is not the front desk. Hmm? This is where they make sales from. Are you following through? Uh-huh. Which other one can I show you? Let me see this. What was the so we have different logins. So let's do AR admin. Mm. Why is it not logging in? Okay. I think we're using this. We're using the emails to log in. All right. So, have you seen? This is the page for the AR. You get it, eh? Those ones who were here last time. We tried to come up with something, right? So if the AR looks in, you can be able to view student registration applications. Perhaps maybe you will have a lot of things to add. I get the point. Huh? Follow the through, right? So this is the meaning of master. Tell you, we have a master. A master page is just a holder that can give you access to independent pages without you necessarily logging out. You get it? And it also helps to control the privileges. If you're logged in as the student, you cannot view results for all the students. You only view you one. It's all shown to the master page. So you can also limit access. Okay. The same thing to this. So you see, here, this is a receptionist in the hospital. He only views patient information, visitors, and appointments. Get the point? But if I log in as a doctor, sorry, as a accountant, using the same master page, it will take you to where the uh, the accountant can view things under account section. So I don't want people to get confused. And that's now what we are going to create. You get the point, you see? So the accountant can view patient information, the bills. When you open accounts here, you'll find income, expenditures, banking information, under general asset, supply information, stores management, drugs, consumables, lab. You get it, eh? That's accountant. But if a doctor within the facility logs in, you'll realize that again the doctor is going to view very few things. You see? How many things is the doctor viewing? Only Only one. You get it, eh? But I've given him a button here on the right. If he clicks on details, then now he can have a lot of things he can view under that patient. You get it? That is only. So that's the only thing the doctor can do. You see, he can do patient history. He can take patient history. He can view lab results. He can do prescriptions. He can do diagnosis. He can view treatment chart. Patient. So, are you seeing what I'm meaning by master page? What helps you to do? So, whatever. So, in our event here, we are going to create a master page, but we need some images. So, create, right click, and create another folder, called it images. Call it images. And for me, I'm now going to copy the images because I already have some images. So I'm going to copy this. Images and paste them here. So then I come here and refresh. There's a refresh button here. I refresh it. So you see all my images have gone there. All these are my images. Okay. Are you following through? Are you following through? Okay. So we are now going to create a master page. This is the best approach. Create one master page, eh? Then you copy it and paste in all the users. You just rename. How? Right click, add, then select add a new item. Ensure it is selecting C sharp. If I'm fast, you tell me. I repeat. Right click, come to add. Add here. Then it will bring for you this. Then select add a new item. When it brings this, make sure that it is C sharp selected. Then look for master page here. Have you seen? Then you come and rename it. When you're renaming, don't delete the dot master. You only delete the word master page. Don't delete the extension. But now for me, I'm not going to delete it. I just want to add another word, main. So I'm calling it main master page. Then I click add. So if I add, that's how it comes. So Visual Studio and DevExpress enables you to do drag and drop instead of coding. Otherwise, when you start coding here, open div, close, you get it, eh? Open header, blah, blah, blah. So what you do, you come to design. Design down here. When you click design, it takes you to that. Design is down here. You can still go back to source or go to design. After that, you click inside. When you click inside, you'll find out that there is what is called a content placeholder. A master page, it by default comes with a content placeholder. A content placeholder, this is a space created to help you access data outside the master page. Usually we call it, that's what we call it, placeholder. So when you click inside here and it highlights, you delete it so that you put the content placeholder where you want. Getting the point? So my master page is going to be like this. Huh? I want you to understand something. My master page is going to be like this. It's going to have rows. The first row, I'm going to put that heading. All it's secretary school. You get it there? Where I put it again. Then I can have another row where I put that. Have you seen? Academic register. Then I can have another row where I put this one is called menu. This is a menu, a nav bar. I get the point. This is a navigation bar. But navigation bar, which is in X60, by the way, you can have two navigation bars. You can have a navigation bar, which is portraits. Then you can have another navigation bar where that academic register is, so that something is can be accessed from tab. Maybe it's a master. Then you can have another row where I'm going to put my footer. I get the point. So when you're creating the master page, you come here, then you come to table, insert. I want to do 5 rows and 1 column. Then I click OK. So I'll have my rows like that. First do that. Have you created that folder called images? Hello? Have you created it? Okay, now I'm sending you images that you should put there. I'm putting it to the group. Okay, so now that you have the images, so on the first row we are going to add image. Huh? We image tool from toolbox. So click on this, then you come to toolbox. Under standard, there's this one called image. You double click on it. When you double click on it, you come to its properties. Under image URL. Have you seen? Under image URL, you now look for images. So the image I'm looking for is this image you're seeing here. Have you seen this? Olives Secondary School. Sorry, Secretary School. Huh? Yes. So, and this image is this one here. If I go to my folder, it is this one. Head. It's called head. This one. You have seen it? All right. Just that it's PNG. That's why it has a transparent background. When I come here, I look for head.png. Then I click OK. Have you seen? Then I come to its width. I make it 100%. Then I save. Are we there? After putting image, we come to properties, image URL, and look for line. Have you seen? Then we make it 100% width. 100%. Have you seen? So I have my line here. But I am going to go and I click my right scroll key. I take the cursor. Have you seen? This is where the cursor is blinking from. Have you seen? Yeah? Hello? Yeah. Have you seen where the cursor is blinking from? Take it there by using the right scroll. Then you press enter. When you press enter, you come here on your align up here. You click on the arrow and select align right so that your cursor comes there. Are you following? Then we come to toolbox and right there, look what is called hyperlink. ASPX hyperlink. This one. You double click it so that it can come here. Don't mind. Have you seen? Then you write change passwords from here. Click enter. You go to properties, go to font, make it bold. Type name Tahoma. Size small. So I have something like this. Have you seen? I now have something like this. Change password from here. Now I also need something. This one here, Friday. The date. I'll come to my change password from here. I use this right scroll for the take deck to take the cursor. You see where the cursor is? Yes? You're not saying anything. So I'm saying you're not saying anything. Some of you have already the same. I come here, I click on it, it highlights, then I click on the right scroll. Takes me there, then I come and put ASPX text. Label. You type label, then you select ASPX label. Now, this one, I'm going to delete the text. I go to its properties, I go to font, bold, Tahoma. Tahoma is a standard font we use, which looks to be official. I give it 4 color, I give it red. Then I rename it up here. ID, I call it txt x. So it will have something like that. Then I still click here. I add another image. I go to properties, image URL. I go to my images, I look for user. So I have something like that. Then I want to put my logout. This one now. I come, still hyperlink. But I want ASPX hyperlink. I call it logout. I come to properties. Actually, that one I can just even leave it the way it is like that. But let me increase the size. I come to font, call it small. Then outside it, I'm going to put another image so that I can draw my line. Image. I can even just do enter. Then I come to properties, image URL. I select images, I go to line. Width, I make it 100%. Yep. So I have something like that. Okay. The third row is now going to have this. Have you seen? Academic registrar. You get it, eh? What are you putting there? We are putting there ASPX menu. So you come here, inside here, look for menu. And we are looking for ASPX menu. You double click. When you double click, it brings for you sample root 1, sample root 2, you get it, eh? Then you come to designer here. Click on designer. Then you create the item. Have you seen? There's this first button here. Add. Then on the right, you come and look for item. The text. So you can call it main panel. We go to click OK. Like that. Then you come to properties. Go to width. Make it 100%. Then look for horizontal line. This one has more features. Make it center. Then go to font. Make it bold. Tahoma. Size small. For color white. Then you come to item style. Then back color, you select this blue here and you click OK. Then you save. So you have something like that. I come here, on the next row, I come to toolbox, I look for menu. I just search by menu. And then I look for ASPX menu. I come to designer. Then I click on add. Are you there? Members, are you here? Okay. Then we look for text. We call it main menu or main panel. Or we can call it admin. So now these are the ones you'll be editing, students panel, lecturer panel, AR panel. You get it, Okay, so main. Then you click OK. After that, you come to properties. Are you there? Width, make it 100%. Are you there? Members, are you there? Members, are you there? Hello? Can I continue? We have just created the item and given width. Can you continue? Now look for, still under properties, go and look for horizontal align here. Have you seen it? Make it center, because we want that word main panel to be in the middle. Are you following? Have we put it? What's refusing you from putting it? Just moving through the same scroll. Let's continue. Then you come to font. Make it bold by double clicking so that can be true. Come to name, type Tahoma, press enter. Then come to size, select small. Are we there? Then for color, you make it white. For color, how do you get for color? You click here. Then there are these 3 lines here on the right. This one here. And when you select for color like this, you come here. You click on it, then you select white. Then you go to item style. And item style, select back color. You make it blue. And there you are. So you have something like that. So the next row here is the one that is going to give us the navigation. So you right click on it like this, right click, then go to modify. Then select split cells, not split table, split cells into columns. So you do three columns, then you click OK. Then you come to the properties, you select all of them like that, go to properties, and go to style. When you go to style, you go to block, vertical align, you select top, then you click OK. Can you do that? Can I repeat? After splitting, I now have my 3 columns. I select all like this. I come to properties, look for style. It will pop up. Then I come to block. Under block, I go to vertical line. I select top. Then I click OK. Then I save. Do that. Now, on the first row here, so on the first column, we are going to toolbox and add navbar. But we're looking for ASPX navbar, this one here. You double click on it. Now it gives you something like this. We come to this arrow here, this one here. We click on it and select designer. Now this one takes us to where we're going to create the groups. Now, what you see here, this name, main panel, this one is a group header. Then what falls under it, these are called items. For example, if I click on here, it should take me to something. Click on this, it will take me to something. You get it, eh? These are items, these are group. So, I'm going to create one group. Then I come to its name. Text, I call it main panel. Then under it, I can right click and add item. Then I call it students. Then I click OK. So I'll have my panel like that. Then on the properties, I come to properties. I come to group header style. Here, I open it. I come to back color. I select my first blue. It has changed. I go to forward color. I select white. It has changed. I go to font. I make it bold. I make it Tahoma. Then I make it small. Like that. Then I look for item style. Item style, I'm just going to font. I'm not making it bold. I'm just making it Tahoma. Then small. Like that. Then I look for item image. Item image. I come here, I open it. I come to URL. I'll go to images and I look for link icons. Then it gives me that. Then I look for group header image. Group header image. This one. I also open it. I come to URL, connect it, go to images, look for category icons. So now in this one here, I have added more. Here, I've added more things. You get it, eh? Then I come here, I go to properties, I look for what is called the auto collapse. I make it true. Auto collapse is, now you see this one here, all the groups are open, but I wanted this group to be closed, this one also to be closed. It only opens for me this. That's the meaning of auto collapse. Okay. Can I repeat? Can I repeat? Okay. Now, I don't have anything. I come here, I go to toolbox, type navbar. Oh, nav. It brings for me XPX navbar. I select it. I go to designer. If you want to see it just like that, I come here to designer. Here, I add the group. Then I rename it. I call it main panel. Then under, I right click, add item. I now start with students. Then I click OK. So I have something like that. But I want to make it look nice. How? I click on it. I come to properties. I look for the following items. Number 1, group header image. I open it. I can even use an icon ID or URL. You get it? Let me show you the icons. This is how the icons look like. Have you seen? This is how they look like. So I can even look for an icon from here. Maybe this. I click OK. Have you seen? It has given me that. Then I go to group header style. Back image, back color. Select the image. Select the color. Like that. Then I come to the font. Font, I make it bold. Name, Tahoma. Size small. Then lastly, under group header style, I look for color and I make it white. Then I look for item style. Item style, I'm only interested in font. I want to type there the name, Tahoma. Then the size, small. Then I come to item image, just up here, item image. I come to icon ID. So for item, I want to use maybe an arrow. There are quite a good number of icons here. We can use this. Can use this. Click OK. Then you save. Then I come to auto collapse and make it true. Then I save. Yeah. So have you seen? I have 3 rows. This is the second row. On the third row, I'm going to put there content placeholder. So I come to toolbox. I search content placeholder. Have you seen it? Yeah. So I put the content placeholder where I want it. Then I'm going to drag this here like this. I drag it to, it will show me px 15. Then I leave it there. Hello? Hello? Who? Which Jonah? You are Jonah? No, 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 no. I think that one is simple. Okay, let's continue. Now, the final row, the last line. The last line, we are going to put there image. So we come here to image and put a line. I think now this one is easy. Put a line, come to image URL, images, line. 100% width. You get it, eh? Then under it, you click on it, you go to the right, you take the cursor, you press enter, then you put there a text. You can just even write ARP version 1 designs by Yasin. When I come to, I go and put there another image. Image, properties, image URL. I look for line. 100%. So I come here. I see. Members, I see. I've put my line both up and down. I think you now know that. Then I come to where I've written ERP version divided designed by Senka Gale. So I come to properties. I go to style. I open my style. I come to font family, I type Tahoma. Size, small. Weight, bold. Color, I click on here, I select red. Any red. Then I come to block. Horizontal, I look for horizontal line. Maybe text line, sorry. Center. I click OK. Then I save. And that marks the end of the master page. The main master page now. Can I redo that? I redo what? The lines or the text? I just came to hit, came in front or anywhere. I came to properties, style, I opened. I came to font, I typed Tahoma. I came to font size, I selected small. Font weight, I selected bold. Color, I selected red. Then I came to block. Block, I take text align, I selected center. Then I clicked OK. Are we there? Members, are we there?